Webster's Dictionary defines the word bargain to mean bought or offered for sale more cheaply than usual or expected. WestPoint Home Bed & Bath Factory Outlet in downtown Chipley, Florida is now offering bargains galore and the lowest prices of the season. With 40% off every item in the store, March 22nd through March 31st, 2019. Allowing you to spring clean and freshen your home with bright, clean colors and patterns. From sheets and pillowcases to shams, comforters, blankets, and throws, it's now easier and more affordable than ever to give your home a bright new look. With new products arriving every day, if you haven't shopped WestPoint Home lately, well, you haven't shopped WestPoint Home. So enjoy great name brands like Southern Tide, Izod, Velux, Martex, and many more, all at the lowest prices of the season at WestPoint Home Bed & Bath Factory Outlets, 40% off everything in the store sale. March 22nd through March 31st on Main Street in downtown Chipley, Florida, just a mile north of I-10 at exit 120. Now open 7 days a week, it's WestPoint Home Bed & Bath Factory Outlet.